Join us as we visit Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa and tour one of the standard rooms from our recent visit to this beautiful hotel. Grand is the perfect word to describe my recent visit to Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa. The beautiful craftsman style can be found throughout the entire hotel, and you can also find little Disney details everywhere you look. But the biggest benefit by far for me was location. Having the entry to California Adventure just an elevator ride away was so convenient and nice. I'm going to take you on a tour of my room at the Grand Californian Hotel. I am staying at room 2351, and let's check it out. These rooms were actually redone in 2018. For our room, when you first walk in, there is a door for a connecting room. They have robes available for you to use during your stay. The vanity area with the dual sinks, and a cute little Mickey step stool for the little ones. The bathroom area. The shower has two different shower heads, one from above and one that can be handheld. You can find hidden Mickeys in the wallpaper. The closet and in-room safe. A small fridge. Our room with two queen beds. Another plus was the nightly chocolates before bed. I love the details of Chip and Dale playing in the orange tree. And then there was the view from the balcony. Well, I didn't think we would get a view quite this awesome just because Grizzly River Run is right there. Now I know higher rooms you could actually see more of the park itself, and so that's why we got what we did, because we're kind of seeing just trees at this level. But you can definitely see the big grizzly bear and see people in the park, the different pathways, and people walking through and headed over to Soarin' over there. So a very cool view out here on the little balcony. And of course we were just steps away from great dining at restaurants like Storyteller's Cafe, the Napa Rose, and the Craftsman Bar and Grill. Due to the location and quality of room, I would highly recommend staying at the Grand Californian Hotel, but do keep in mind it is pricey, with a standard view room costing over $500 a night, and that's not counting tax and fees. So you may want to save your visit to the Grand Californian Hotel for a special celebration or occasion. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure and give it a like, and consider subscribing to the channel, because my hope is always to make your next Disney adventure more magical. Thanks for watching, and have a magical day.